Hello, I'm Swabra. Welcome to Amboseli Demo Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you a simple recipe on how to make a bowl of butternut squash soup. You're welcome. First, we'll start by chopping our vegetables. After you heat the butter, you just have to add all the vegetables for 5 minutes. So we add our stock to cover the vegetables and bring to boil. Let's chop our potato. We're done chopping our potatoes. Let's set them aside. We'll be using half a butternut squash. I'm chopping the carrots into slices. Set them aside too. Then for the celery, we'll be using the stem part. So we'll just cut off the leafy part. be checking our seasoning too. So I'll add black pepper for seasoning. Just add a little. A pinch of salt to taste. I'll be tasting our soup. It's simply amazing. So, what's the next step? To serve. For this, we'll be serving it hot. Our butternut squash soup is ready. And I'll garnish it with the vegetable of my own choice. Now your butternut squash soup is ready. You can enjoy it with a bread roll of your own choice.